What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be playing Among Us with my friend. You guys can't hear because there's no computer audio, but today we're going to be playing Among Us with the new map. So he made a game, and I can join the game hopefully. Let me see. Oh, I think. Hey, I joined. Let's see. Oh yeah, by the way, her name is Dixie, I think. Yeah. Okay. This is only not too many people can join because there's only 3 out of 6, and if she makes too much people, and then the game will kick her out. So I'm trying to find myself. They had some poop. What's this? Poop? Ugh. Eyebrows. Chicken. I ain't no chicken. They had what is that? I wonder. I'm gonna be funny. I'm gonna be a chicken boss. Chicken. A dirty chicken. Okay, I don't like the dirty chicken. My friend is saying in the background, if you want, you could be, red. But I like to be orange because I know a hack I can do when I'm orange. And I'm not telling you. Okay, we start the game. Let's go. And the new map as well. Okay. Oh, she says she's playing the new map for the first time. It's loading right now for me. Is it loading for you? Okay. Oh, okay. There's one rule. We can only talk in the meetings, okay? So see you in the meetings, okay? Shh. I only said we can talk in the meetings, okay? There's only talking in the meetings, okay? I'll see you in the meetings, I guess. The reason I might not talk a lot is because we can only talk in the meeting, so I'm not gonna talk a lot. Hello. Isn't this new map huge? This new main hall? You found the main hall? Okay. Who was in main hall? Was anybody close to you? She's basically saying that she found a body in the main hall and the lights were out, so she couldn't see anyone close. Hey, why? I'm gonna suss you. Okay, I'm gonna suss you. Hey, what? What? Oh, come on! Oh, come on! That's just. How did you figure out it was me? God damn it. God. Okay. Gotta wait now. Okay. 4 people don't start. Oh, they left. Who food left the game? Why does he keep coming back? By the way, you guys don't know who my friend is, it's Dixie. Food. Why is that guy coming back and leaving? Yeah. Welcome, Moon. Okay, welcome to the game. By the way, guys, if you have a Roblox account, comment it down below so I can friend you guys at Roblox. Okay. If you want, you can start the game, Dixie. Oh, we're 5. We're 5 people. Okay. I think somebody's calling you. Okay. Let's see who's imposter and who's crewmate. Remember, not only talking in the meeting. Okay. Oh, you can only. What the? The imposter left the game. That was very weird. Okay. Now we need more people. Or 4. Okay. Why did the imposter leave? I think the imposter had to eat lunch. Okay, only talking in the meetings, don't forget. Aw, damn it! The lights? Come on, not the lights. And we lost. Well, that's not too good. Okay. The imposter only had to kill 2 people, so that was very easy. Okay, only talking in the meeting. Go to the main place. Like, I think I'm gonna go to the cockpit. Or is it? Hey! What? No! It was you? Where were you in that entire round? When I was crawling around the vents, I could only see her once, but where were you? Damn, okay. And how did nobody find a body? Okay, guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I love all of you guys.